Imagine a strategy where your investments are automated, consistently growing while you focus on other things. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 high-yield investments you can automate for bigger return and more peace of mind. Manually investing can be time-consuming and is easy to miss opportunity. But when you automate the right investments, you set yourself up for consistent growth without the daily hassle. Let's get into it. First on the list is high-yield saving accounts. They are low risk, offer better interest than traditional saving accounts, and you can easily automate deposits to build your emergency fund effortlessly. Next up are dividend-paying stocks. By automating monthly or quarterly investment into dividend stock, you can build a steady stream of passive income that compound over time. Real estate crowdfunding platform offer a great opportunity to earn passive income. With some platform, you can automate your contribution to specific property or portfolio and earn dividends and capital appreciation without owning physical property. Index funds and ETFs are the foundation of automated investing. They offer diversification, and by automating contribution, you can dollar cost average into this fund without worrying about market timing. Finally, crypto enthusiasts can use automated trading bots to trade digital assets based on preset strategy. This helps you capitalize on market trends even while you sell it. Now that you have got the top 5 investment to automate, don't stop here. Watch my next video on advanced strategy for automate investing to learn how to fine-tune your approach for maximum gain. Thank you.